Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com Groups. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and managing groups in Monday.com, a powerful work operating system. First, let's start with the basics. A group in Monday.com is a collection of users who can be assigned to tasks, updated on progress, and collaborate on projects. To create a group, navigate to the People section and click on the Groups tab. Then, click on the Create Group button and enter a name for your group. You can also add a description to provide context. Once you have created a group, you can start adding members. To do this, click on the Add Member button and select the users you want to include. You can also add users in bulk by uploading a CSV file or by syncing with your Google directory. Now that you have created and populated your group, let's talk about how to use it. You can assign tasks to groups, which allows all members to receive updates and take action. To do this, navigate to the item you want to assign and click on the Assign button. Then, select the group from the drop-down list. Another key concept in Monday.com groups is the ability to set different permission levels. You can control what actions group members can take, such as editing or deleting items to set permissions. Navigate to the group settings and click on the Permissions tab. Then, select the permission level you want to assign to the group. Best practices for using Monday.com groups include keeping your groups organized and up to date. Regularly review your group membership and remove any users who are no longer relevant. You should also use clear and descriptive names for your groups to avoid confusion. In conclusion, Monday.com groups provide a powerful way to collaborate and manage teams by following the steps outlined in this tutorial. You can create and manage groups with ease. Remember to keep your groups organized, set clear permissions, and use descriptive names to get the most out of this feature.